How to get T5 from TD Bank. Visit the TD Trust website with your existing credentials. Log into your TD Trust account. Navigate to the Statements or Documents section. Select the Tax Documents option. Choose the appropriate tax year. Locate the T5 slip in the list of available documents. Click on the T5 slip to view it. Download the T5 slip to your computer. Save the document in a secure location. Print a copy if a physical version is needed. Review the T5 slip for accuracy and use it for your tax filing. Hope you understood the topic. It's a very easy topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.